Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we all knew that the world record single for 3x3 Rubik's Cube was 3.47 seconds set by Yu Do in 2018. But now there is Max Park breaking the world record for it with a new 3.13 second single, placing Yu Do to second place. Let's see what he did in that solve. This is the scramble done with white top and green front. Max Park did the white cross. The cross pieces are here, here, here and here. He solved this cross piece in just one move like this and then did D2 to solve this one. And instead of simply putting this edge piece in and getting an X cross, what he did was, he did a D, then put the edge in, which solves this corner as well, to get a double X cross if we put this edge back in here. So what he did was, instead of breaking this corner, he did a D, then put the edge in at the back like this, and then did another D. Here he has a double X cross with a free pair at the back, which he inserted like this, and then an easy F12 case. Corner at the back, take the edge out, rotate, and then insert this F12 pair at the back. And then he gets this OLL case, which he does it from the back like this, and gets a PLL skip and then a UF.
And lastly, we have moves that don't affect grip, but just make things faster. So the first one is U2, which is done with index finger and then middle finger.
Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and let me know when the next world record will be broken in the comments. Maybe tomorrow, next week, next month, a century later or a decade. See you all next time.